Typically we have a wine tank sitting on a concrete base. When an earthquake comes along, it wants to push the tank over. Traditionally, anchoring systems have been designed to withstand that force and that force alone. Consequently, when the traditional anchors undergo some force, they either stretch or they break. If they break, we've got big problems because the tank's now unfixed. If they stretch, they've done their job once, but then they have no more capacity beyond that point. The Onguard anchor is different. Once the Onguard anchor has stretched and the tank is lifted off the ground and the earthquake cycle reverses, the Onguard system can then withstand the same force as in a compression and yield in compression. It's the Onguard anchors that provide that tension resistance to the overturning of the earthquake. This is the casing of the Onguard anchor, which is welded to the side of the wine tank. When the wine tank experiences an uplift force from an earthquake, the casing moves up with the side of the wine tank. Inside the casing is a pin with a reduced diameter portion. That reduced diameter portion is intended to yield. So the casing pulls up on the shoulder of the pin and yields this pin. Now typically when you try and compress something such as this pin, it will just buckle. However, this plastic sleeve, which is placed around the pin and then slides inside the casing, prevents that buckling and forces the pin back into compression. After an earthquake sequence, when the pin has done its job, it's a simple case of removing the pin, which has undergone successive yielding in tension and compression and will have strain hardened, and replace the pin with a new pin. Very simply, we're fully protected again.